continues to fall on the shore, though inventory continues to rise by 15% week over week. It's Friday, May 3rd, 2024, and there are a variety of free happenings on the shore this weekend, like the Leighton Chance Winery in Vienna, Maryland, burning of the vines tonight. Cambridge is hosting the May the 4th Be With You Festival, and Berlin is hosting the Jazz and Blues Festival. There's also the Maryland Coastal Bike Festival in Ocean City. Check out our event happenings on our website for more details. I'm Kimberly Barton, broker owner of Kinetic Realty. This is the Maryland Eastern Shore Report. Fewer homes are going under contract and staying on the market longer before they do go under contract. Prices have slowed from rising, with a slight step backwards of 0.9% for new listings hitting the market. But those listed for sale haven't started cutting prices yet. Inventory on the shore hit 1,500 homes for sale, and another 127 are due to hit the market soon. 158 went under contract this past week in 15 days, while 168 settled at 97.4%, reflecting a move downwards. Homes for rent rose to 79 over this past week at a median $2,100 per month. And that's a wrap for this week's Maryland Eastern Shore Report for Friday, May 3rd, 2024. Thanks so much for tuning in. Enjoy your weekend, stay safe, and I'll see you next week. Take care.